Namaste. We are now discussing question number 3B of ethics paper 2022. This is the same kind of question. What does this quotation mean to you? You can see the quotation here is given by APJ Abdul Kalam. If a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful mind, I strongly feel that there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are father, mother, and teacher. In these kind of questions, you have to understand the crux of the question and substantiate that question according to the personalized needs. Look at the question. After just after seeing the question, you can see the three stakeholders are given. So you can create the best way to present them in a chart. So let's say we are starting writing about the introduction. You can see corruption is the abuse of external power for private gain. This is deeply engrossed in system and in human psychology as well. When we have talked about this, we can create a corruption wheel to explain that what is the status of corruption in India. And this corruption wheel should not be value free. It should have the lot of values which has to be written, lot of keywords has to be written. For example, you can see that rent seeking politics, board banking politics, nexus, exploitation, crony capitalism, and collusive and coercive corruption. All these things are written. All right. And then we are going to lead this towards the question that solution to this complex nature of corruption lies in moral upliftment of citizens. So now we are going to we are going to refer to quote again, that the above quote means the role of father, mother, and teacher in shaping the value of the to eliminate the corruption from the system. So this is how we have written. And then we are going to create the 3x3 matrix, as we have used this representation earlier also. Here, one side we are going to write about role of father, mother, and role of teacher. And other side we are going to take up the life cycle approach, from where you will have the child, juvenile, adult, and old age. Now, how role of father is going to impact a child in reducing corruption. For example, basically the idea is to give the examples from the morality. Look at this, in all these 9 columns we have to write about the 9 ideas which are being which are matching to perfectly to the column. For example, this is being written. Look at this: exposure to morality, then value development. For teachers, it will be knowledge based learning. In juvenile, upholding integrity, the father will be there, mother will be in emotional intelligence, teacher will be in understanding of ethics, and for adult, father will be assistance basically, and mother will be in providing love, care, and support. Teacher will again help in giving the wisdom. And in old days, this is what transferring the values for the generation. Again, this will reverse then. And use of experience and development of family, ethical empowerment of society. When we have completed this, then next time we have to write about this. Look at this: we have written matrix indicating the role of father, mother, and teacher in the corruption. Now then we have to lead the content further. So now I am taking up one paragraph on the parents, that is father and mother, and then I will be taking up one paragraph on the teacher. So look at this: the parents are the first point of contact for any child. So first values are inherited from them. Parenting also helps in development of psychology of children, which in turn results into the children, making the children as an adult with a strong ethical compass. And then one paragraph on teachers, how teachers shape the value. So teacher will shape the value by morality through knowledge. They will provide the clear understanding of ethical values and moral principles. So which helps in bringing the perseverance in person in this ecosystem. Perseverance means what? If this, irrespective of whatever situation comes, the person is able to uphold their values. All right, then it's time for conclusion. So in conclusion, again, we are going to say that some futuristic vision that if a father, mother, and teacher fulfill their role, then society will emerge as a civic society. That will not be a simple society, will be a civic society, which will in turn bring happiness and togetherness in the society.